My dear friends, a warm welcome to all of you from Nakoda Educational Series. Let's start learning English Bal Bharti Standard 7. Unit 1, 1.1 Past, Present, Future. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee? An autumn evening, soft and mild, with a wind that sighs mournfully. Tell me what is present are a green and flowery spray, where a young bird sits gathering its paw to mount and fly away. And what is the future happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea stretching into infinity. Now let's see the meaning of the poem in short. In this poem, the poet asks the child who is smiling what the past is like to the child. The child replies that the past is like an autumn evening, which is soft and mild with a wind that sighs sadly. The poet then asks the child about the opinion of the present. The child replies that the present is like a green branch of flowers on which a young bird sits, gathering strength to fly away. Then the poet asks the happy child about the future. The child replies that the future is like a sea that is beneath the sun in a cloudless sky. The sea is very powerful, glorious and shining brightly, and it stretches on without an end. So in this poem, the time is presented in the form of a dialogue between the poet and a happy child. For the child in the poem, the past was a pleasant time, but sadly we cannot go back to it. The present is a time when you prepare for the future and which is unknown but exciting. Exercise. Link the items in the 3 columns properly. The past, a soft and mild autumn evening, a pleasant time which has ended. The present are a green and flowery spray where a young bird sits, a time full of life in which you gather the strength. The future, a sea beneath a cloudless sun, an exciting, thrilling time which has no end. Find the meaning of the following words: thee, you, mournfully, sadly, spray, a stem or small branch of a tree or plant bearing flowers, mighty, possessing great power or strength, very powerful. Write the adjectives that are used to describe the following: evening, soft and mild, spray, green and flowery, sea, mighty, glorious, dazzling. Write one line about each of the following with the help of the poem. Wind in the autumn evening. The wind in the autumn evening sighs sadly. Young bird on the spray. It sits on the flowery plant, gathering strength to get up and fly away. The sea is mighty, glorious and dazzling, which stretches on without an end.